Hi guys, so I am here. I'm doing some making some ephemera and everything for my Christmas journals, and I wanted to make some envelopes using my wax seals. I haven't used my wax seals in a long time, and I just wanted to play with them, so I decided to turn on the camera so you guys can see how I do it. A lot of people have their own way of doing it, but I'm going to show you how I do it. I have my little candle here. Let me move this out the way because I just want to show you. I opened up the envelopes. These were pretty easy to open because they're old. The newer envelopes are harder, but you can always just like steam them over a pot of simmering water to get the steam, and then that can help you open up your envelope better. I want them open because I want to put them in my signature and stitch here and then close it to hide my string. And then what I want to do for this one, I want to put a wax seal because I think that'll look cool. Now I have two of these. This one has the J for junk journals, and then this one is a rose, and I'm going to be using the rose. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to prep these. And of course these will be a little bit more embellished. I'm just making the base. So I'm just going to distress, I'm going to distress the edges because I just like that look. And I'm using vintage photo. You guys prepping for Christmas yet? I am in full mode now. It is, what time is it right now? I've been up since 3. It's 5 o'clock. Because of course, I was putting my my digitals together, and I realized I ran out of coffee paper. So I had to stop what I was doing and go and make some coffee paper. Buy some paper. So now I'm back on my desk. At my desk, not on my desk. So we're just distressing a little bit. So I got that, and what I like to do is I like to fold it as if I was, how it's gonna lay. So I want this distressed too. I just want all the edges distressed because I like that look. So everything that's going to show, I just like to, it's time consuming, making junk journals, it's time consuming, but, I just like, the little details like this, It just gives it a little extra, and you'll see what I mean. So now that looks like that, which is way better than if it was, plain. And then I go inside too. And you see this crease here? I want it to look, how old mail or something, when it's been folded a while, it gets that crease. That's what I do. So now this is ready for my wax seal. And I'm going to show you how I'm going to put the wax seal on this envelope so that it looks, So I'm going to open it up. See my flap here. And I'm going to bring my little candle so you guys can see. Let me move this over. And I'm just going to put my spoon. Now, a lot of people cut pieces and put it in there. I don't do that. I just put my spoon over it. And let me use the red. So I haven't used this red yet. Get my spoon hot. And I'm just going to lay my little candlestick in there. My wax stick in there. And it slowly starts melting. Now I haven't tried the one that comes with the wick, and I think I want to, you know, later on when the funds get a little better, I want to get the, you know, the kit. There's like in Amazon this it comes with all different colors and it has the wick, and I think that would be faster, but I haven't tried those yet. So I keep doing that and see how it's just melting. I wish I could give you a better view, but it's melting in there. And what I want to do is I just want this little thing full. And I scrape. And we're almost there. And I kind of clean it, you know. And if you don't have a silicone mat like I do, just get some wax paper. So now I'm going to pour this half on this little point here. And I'm going to try to stay in the middle. Doesn't always work that way, but I'm going to try. And I want my envelope in a little more. And when it stops moving, I'm going to grab my little rose and I'm going to seal it. And I just let it stand there. Now I just press a little. And I'll lift. And wait a second. And there is my beautiful little wax seal. It just adds that extra something, doesn't it? So now, let me get this candle out the way before my envelope catches fire. So now this is ready. And now when I put it in the signature, I'll stitch it, and then it's just an envelope with a beautiful little wax seal there. And it just adds that extra little something to your journals. So I just wanted to come on and show you that, and then I'll decorate the back. Just wanted to come on and show you that. And if you don't have a silicone mat, because you need to put this on something that's not going to stick, use wax paper. Wax paper should do the trick. Okay? Alright guys, I hope that you enjoyed that little quick tutorial, and I will talk to you in the next video. Bye.